The 101 RAIN router versus RAIN Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2. 1. Overview of ZTE and Huawei in the networking industry. 2. The significance of these routers in the context of 5G technology. 3. Brief introduction of the ZTE 101 router and Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2. 2. Design and build quality. 1. Aesthetic design comparison. 2. Material quality and durability. 3. Size and portability. 4. Ease of installation and setup. 3. Hardware specifications. 1. Chipset and processing power. 2. Memory and storage capabilities. 3. Antenna design and configuration. 4. Cooling mechanisms and thermal management. 5. Power consumption and energy efficiency. 4. Connectivity features. 1. Supported 5G bands and frequencies. 2. Backward compatibility with 4G LTE and other technologies. 3. Ethernet ports and LAN capabilities. 4. Wi-Fi standards supported, e.g., Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 5. 5. Maximum number of connected devices. 6. Range and signal strength. 5. Performance. 1. Download and upload speeds on 5G networks. 2. Latency and reliability. 3. Performance in different environmental conditions, urban versus rural. 4. Speed tests and benchmarks. 5. User experience during high-demand activities, e.g., gaming, streaming. 6. Software and user interface. 1. Operating system and firmware. 2. User interface design and ease of use. 3. Remote management and control options. 4. Security features, e.g., firewalls, VPN support. 5. Parental controls and guest networks. 6. Software updates and support. 7. Advanced features. 1. Integration with smart home devices. 2. AI-driven features, e.g., signal optimization, device prioritization. 3. Cloud-based management and monitoring. 4. Compatibility with IoT devices. 5. Customization options, e.g., cost settings. 8. Network performance and coverage. 1. 5G network coverage in different regions. 2. Signal penetration through walls and obstacles. 3. Comparison of network stability and drop rates. 4. Impact of multiple connected devices on network performance. 9. Security and privacy. 1. Encryption standards and protocols. 2. Protection against cyber threats, e.g., DDoS attacks, malware. 3. Privacy controls for users. 4. Security certifications and compliance with global standards. 10. Price and value for money. 1. Price comparison in various markets. 2. Cost effectiveness based on features and performance. 3. Long-term value and return on investment. 4. Comparison of warranty and customer support services. 11. User reviews and feedback. 1. Analysis of customer satisfaction ratings. 2. Common praises and complaints. 3. Performance in real-world scenarios is reported by users. 4. Feedback on reliability and durability over time. 12. Conclusion. 1. Summary of strengths and weaknesses of each router. 2. Recommendations for different types of users, e.g., power users, casual users. 3. Final thoughts on which router provides better overall value. 1. Introduction. The rise of 5G technology has ushered in a new era of connectivity, promising faster internet speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. With this technological advancement, routers have also evolved to support the demanding requirements of 5G networks. Among the prominent players in the market, ZTE and Huawei have established themselves as leading manufacturers of networking equipment. Their offerings, the ZTE 101 router and the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router, are designed to harness the full potential of 5G technology. ZTE's 101 router is a key product in RAIN Network's 5G infrastructure, offering users a robust and reliable connection. Huawei, on the other hand, is renowned for its cutting-edge technology and innovation in the telecommunications industry. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router is an example of their commitment to delivering high-performance products that cater to both consumer and business needs. This comparison aims to provide a detailed analysis of these two routers, highlighting their design, hardware, performance, connectivity features, and more. By the end of this comparison, readers should have a clear understanding of which router might be the better choice based on their specific needs. 2. Design and build quality. ZTE 101 router. The ZTE 101 router features a utilitarian design, with a focus on functionality rather than aesthetics. Its rectangular shape and minimalistic design make it a discreet addition to any home or office environment. The router is constructed with durable plastic, ensuring that it can withstand everyday wear and tear. Its compact size makes it easy to place on a shelf or desk, but it lacks the portability that some users might desire. The ZTE 101 is designed with simplicity in mind, offering easy installation and setup. The router's front panel includes LED indicators for power, internet connection, and Wi-Fi status, allowing users to quickly assess its operational state. The overall build quality is solid, with no noticeable flexing or creaking when handled. Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router. In contrast, the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router boasts a sleek and modern design that reflects Huawei's emphasis on style and innovation. The router has a cylindrical shape with a glossy finish, giving it a premium look that complements contemporary home decor. The device is made from high-quality materials, with a sturdy build that feels durable and well-crafted. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 is designed to be both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Its vertical design allows for better airflow and cooling, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. The router features a minimalistic interface, with a single LED indicator on the front that changes color to indicate the status of the connection. This design choice contributes to the router's clean and unobtrusive appearance. Comparison. When comparing the design and build quality of the two routers, the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 stands out for its modern and stylish design. Its premium materials and thoughtful design elements make it an attractive addition to any home or office. The ZTE 101, while more utilitarian in appearance, offers a compact and durable design that prioritizes functionality over aesthetics. For users who value design and build quality, the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 is the clear winner. 3. Hardware specifications. ZTE 101 router. The ZTE 101 router is equipped with a capable chipset that provides reliable performance for 5G connectivity. It features a quad-core processor, which ensures smooth operation even under heavy network load. The router is equipped with 512 MB of RAM and 128 MB of flash memory, providing sufficient resources for basic networking tasks and firmware updates. The router's antenna configuration includes 4x4 MIMO, multiple input multiple output, technology, which enhances signal strength and coverage. This setup allows the router to deliver strong and stable connections, even in areas with weaker 5G signals. The ZTE 101 also includes an efficient cooling system, with passive cooling mechanisms that prevent overheating during prolonged use. Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router is powered by the Belong 5000 chipset, Huawei's proprietary 5G modem. This chipset is designed to provide exceptional performance, with support for both NSA, non-standalone, and SA, standalone, 5G networks. The router is equipped with 1 GB of RAM and 512 MB of flash memory, ensuring that it can handle more demanding tasks and provide a smoother user experience. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 features an advanced antenna system with 4x4 MIMO technology and dual-band Wi-Fi support. This configuration ensures that the router can deliver fast and reliable connections across a wide area. Additionally, the router includes an active cooling system with a built-in fan, which helps to maintain optimal performance during high-demand activities. Comparison. In terms of hardware specifications, the Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 outshines the ZTE 101 router with its more powerful chipset, higher memory capacity, and advanced cooling system. The Belong 5000 chipset in the Huawei router is specifically designed for 5G performance, making it a better choice for users who require high-speed connectivity and reliable performance under heavy load. The ZTE 101 router, while still capable, may not match the Huawei router in terms of raw power and advanced features. 4. Connectivity features ZTE 101 router. The ZTE 101 router supports a range of 5G bands, making it compatible with most 5G networks around the world. It also offers backward compatibility with 4G LTE networks, ensuring that users can stay connected even in areas without 5G coverage. The router includes 2 gigabit Ethernet ports for wired connections, allowing users to connect devices such as gaming consoles or smart TVs directly to the router for faster and more stable connections. The ZTE 101 supports Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC technology, which provides decent wireless speeds and coverage. The router can connect up to 64 devices simultaneously, making it suitable for households with multiple users and devices. However, its range and signal strength may be limited in larger homes or areas with thick walls. Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router. The Huawei 5G CPE Pro 2 router offers broader support for 5G bands, including both sub